Have you ever tried to print a variable in Laravel only to be met with confusion? It can be a bit tricky, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to print a Laravel variable using Echo. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you're trying to display a variable in your template and nothing seems to work. You're not alone in this. Many developers face this challenge. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, how can I print the variable product in my template? They provided some code, but it just wasn't working as expected. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together and find a solution. So what could be going wrong? Often, the issue lies in how we reference variables within our Laravel templates. We'll break it down step by step so you can understand exactly how to do it right. And don't go anywhere. I've got a handy tip at the end that will make working with Laravel variables a breeze. To print the variable in a Laravel template, the user should start by ensuring that the variable is passed to the view correctly. This is typically done in the controller. Next, in the Blade template, the user can access the variable using the Blade syntax. This is done by using double curly braces. If the user wants to print a specific attribute of the product, they can do so by referencing the attribute directly within the curly braces. Finally, the user can integrate this variable into their form. They should ensure that the variable is included in the form action URL correctly. Fun fact, Laravel was created by Taylor Otwell in 2011, and it has since become one of the most popular PHP frameworks. It's amazing how far we've come in web development. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by a user is to print the variable directly in Blade using double curly braces. You can simply write product to display the variable. Here's the handy tip I promised. Always check your syntax when working with variables in Laravel. A small mistake can lead to big headaches, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. And there you have it. You should now be able to print your Laravel variable with ease. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus content on Laravel best practices.